A 39 years old lady came yesterday having two scars on her left breast. She had breast cancer, and the breast cancer was removed about 18 months before. After her first surgery went through, she thought she is cancer free, but something went wrong. After 5 to 6 months, she got two new tumors which were bigger than the previous tumors. So what's causing it? Okay, no one talked about it, and she got through another surgery which was performed in a government hospital in Delhi. And then now after like 8 to 9 months from the first day of her treatment, it's been now 16-18 months, she got 3 new tumors in the same breast, and not only in breast, also in her neck. So is it good to keep cutting the tumors out? I mean, are you treating the tumors, or are you treating the cause? A good doctor who has been thinking about the patients and who really cares about the life of the patient would never hesitate about answering why a disease has been occurring. And if someone is not answering your questions, especially a doctor when you're dealing with life, trust me, he's not a good doctor, and you must get away from him. My name is Satish. I am a natural healer. I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Cancer Cure with Naturopathy. So here are some steps that you can become smarter, and you can think about how you're going to cure yourself. Are you going to keep yourself getting cut, different surgery and radiation and chemotherapy, or you're actually going to think about let's say 3, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years back, did you really have cancer that long before? The answer is not. You didn't have it. So why? And this is the primary, very intelligent, and the main point you should ask yourself: why I got cancer? And if you can find out why you got cancer, you probably have solved the problem almost 50%. So if you are not looking at the cause and getting a surgery or a radiation or chemo or the allopathy medicines and modern medicines and those painkillers and those antibiotics and those multivitamins which are high in calcium, sometimes in zinc and magnesium and stuff like that, trust me, you're not curing yourself. You're actually putting more poison in your body in all the other form, including the chemo, the radiation, which destroys ovary, the salivary glands, neurological disorders and stuff like that. So there are a lot of side effects. This video is for breast cancer, and it directly links to lung cancer as well later on, and liver cancer. So people who have got bad teeth, gum disease, pathogens from their inferior veins, from the jawbones entering into the inferior artery and directly linking into your heart and then going to lungs. So if you don't actually stop the cause from where it's happening, you may have a chronic infection somewhere in your skin, maybe in your gut. So if you're not actually identifying what the root cause is, and you're going through various surgery and chemo and radiation, trust me, you're doing something wrong. And if you go to a doctor who is a surgeon, or if you go to someone in a chemo department or in oncology, they look at your lungs. Okay, we found out you have an increased EGFR or CEA, or your lung tumor markers are high, you have got a tumor at this particular point, so let's take the gun and just shoot it there, then cut the tumor out and do this and do that. No, that's the wrong way. If there is no obstruction at a point where it is becoming life-threatening, then make sure the way the tumor has become this large, the same way it can go down, and then it can be used as a waste, and your body can actually metabolize it, and it can use it as a um, what you call the exact term of it, it can metabolize it, and it can dissolve the tumor. So you have to understand the point here, what I'm trying to make. Some people understand and try to come to the naturopathy medicines. However, the family pressures, the loved ones, friends, and everybody says, "Are you nuts? What are you doing? Are you serious? Are you not going for the chemotherapy?" and question like that. So people who are able to make the alternative medicine as a primary source of treating them are only 2% or less. More than 95 or 98 cancer patient, no more than 95 or 98% of the cancer patients look for the alternative treatment and naturopathy after they have gone through all sort of radiation, chemo, surgery, and all the money is gone. Now they have no money, their immune system is gone, they have too much of oxidative stress, their fear and anger level is too high that even medicine stops working on them. Sometimes they have lymphatic obstruction, and there are so many problems that you create in your own immune system. I explained in so many other videos, cancer has become in your body just because there has been something seriously wrong. And if you can correct it and you can stop the cause, and you start taking the right food, make some dietary changes, start taking 30 to 40 minutes early morning the sun bath, and start healing yourself the natural way, the way you are made naturally, you can come out of the disease. So people who have got lung cancer, central bronchial carcinoma, the NSCLC, and small cell angiocarcinoma, and other cancers, breast cancer, and the cancer of the tongue and the jaw and in their large intestine, they have to make sure it is happening from a point. And if you can stop that point from where it's happening, and you start to change your lifestyle, your diet modifications, and you really have patience, because trust me, without patience you cannot win in cancer. You cannot win in cancer or in any other chronic conditions. So think it this way: I got cancer, I got to know after 2 years or 3 years I had some pain, and I kept taking medicines and the painkillers, and now finally I got to know that I have cancer. If you were feeling something was wrong in your body for past 3 years, in order to cure it, are you going to give it like 4 to 6 or 7 months, or maybe 9 months? Or you are just thinking, no, tumor, cut it out and just throw it away? This is an educational video, by the way, so if you have any query, you can contact us. Our doctors will help you. My name is Satish, I'm a natural healer. The number to contact is 9818418286. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have cancer, and if your friend has cancer, try to share this video with somebody who you think has been facing difficulty, and try to spread the knowledge to heal naturally, so we all can be the part of this mission. I hope you have very good health, so try to eat fresh, leafy green, veggie, vegetable and fruits. Cut down on your gluten and iron, and that was it. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. See ya. Bye bye.